Okay, so something like this is where we start to maybe have some issues with keeping things organized. Maybe if you're doing this and you're not great at keeping things organized, maybe you absolutely use a box. All right, I'm going to show you how I would do this. I would highlight this first term and then highlight the second term and then highlight the third term. And then I'm going to use a pen of that color for each of those arrows and to write things down. All right, so I'm going to go one, two, three distributions. I'm going to find a green pen that's close to that thing. One, two, three distributions. And I'm going to find a blue pen that's pretty close to that. And I'm going to go one, two, three distributions. All right. Sorry. So I'm going to get 9 different things to write down here because there's 9 arrows. Each arrow is going to give me a term. So let's go careful. X squared times 2, 2x squared. X squared times negative x. Hang on. Yeah, that's right. X squared times negative x. Negative x to the third. X squared times 2x squared. 2x to the fourth. All right. Green one's next. Negative 3x times 2. Negative 6x. Negative 3x times negative x. Negative 3x squared. Negative 3x times 2x squared. Negative 6x squared. Slide it over here a little bit because I don't need to see the beginning for this. The blue, 2 times 2, 4. 2 times negative x, negative 2x. 2 times 2x squared plus 4x squared. All right, 9 terms. So now I go through carefully and I find my like terms. All right, that make it so I can't see it, it will. So let's do it like this. Let's underline stuff. So I got that, and I've got that for the x squareds. And we have something happened here. Hang on, let's back up. Yeah, right here. So when I'm looking at this, the exponents shouldn't ever be the same in a color, all right, because of how it looks. So I made a mistake right here. Negative 3x times 2x squared should be negative 6x to the third. I'm sure that everyone watching this video knew that immediately. There we go. Okay, now that's why you have to be careful because are you going to notice that when you're doing this combining? Probably not. All right, what tipped me off was I was like, wait, there should be another x to the third someplace. All right, and then there wasn't. Okay, so those two are going to go together. And then negative 6x and negative 2x are going to go together. So we'll put all those things together. All right, so I carefully in the calculator do that. 2x squared minus 3x squared plus 4x squared, that's 6 minus 3 is actually, back up, organize them. X to the fourth is the biggest exponent, so 2x to the fourth is positive. All right, then the x to the thirds, there's 2 of them. Minus 1 minus 7, or minus 1 minus 6 is going to give me minus 7x to the third. 2 minus 3 plus 4, that's going to give me positive 3x squared. All right, I got a negative 6 minus 2 more is negative 8x. And then I have a 4. And the one thing I didn't do, which I should have done as I went through, is I didn't like cross things off. So if I backed up here, start over again. Longest video ever to do one problem. All right, so 2x to the fourth, and then I draw a line through it. All right, x to the third. I have minus 1 x to the third minus 6x to the third is minus 7x to the third. I have 2x squared minus 3x squared plus 4x squared. 2 minus 3 plus 4, okay, is going to give me 3. 2 minus 3 plus 4 is going to give me plus 3x squared. All right, minus 6x minus 2x is going to give me minus 8x, and then a plus 4. All right, with that many terms, it's usually a good idea to cross them off. I had meant to do that. I realized at the end I didn't. All right, so I should cross them off, something again to keep myself organized. If I've got a big 3x3 grid, there's going to be 9 things in there. Again, I think you probably want to cross them off as you pull them out to make sure that you've got everything.